Welcome to today's video where we will be diving into a coding problem that many developers might come across. The issue at hand involves specifying the return type of a function with an infer return type using auto, particularly when the function body contains multiple of constexpr branches and one of them unconditionally throws an exception. The catch here is that the return type needs to satisfy a specific concept and cannot simply be void. Faced with this predicament, the question arises: how can we declare a return type without resorting to a fake return? Now, diving into the solution that can address this tricky problem, we come across an interesting workaround. By utilizing an immediately invoked lambda function, we can craft a solution that meets our needs. The code snippet return, std, vector and throw 5, presents a clever workaround that leverages the lambda to specify the desired return type without explicitly returning from the function itself. It may seem unconventional, but it does the job effectively in this scenario. In summary, we've explored a creative solution to a challenging coding dilemma, demonstrating how thinking outside the box can lead to innovative problem solving. Hopefully, this workaround will come in handy for you in similar coding conundrums. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with your thoughts or any other quirky coding puzzles you'd like to see solved. Stay curious and happy coding.